What's up, everybody? Today we're ranking the top 5 best egg-laying chicken breeds for your flock. We're going to break down the pros and cons of each breed so you can decide which feathered friends are the best fit for your setup. First up, we've got the Rhode Island Red, a true American classic. These birds have been a staple in American farms for generations, known for their striking red feathers and robust nature. These birds are known for their hardiness and consistent egg production. They can thrive in various environments, from small backyard coops to larger farm settings. We're talking about 200 to 300 medium-sized brown eggs per year. That's a lot of delicious, fresh eggs for your breakfast table, baking needs, or even to share with friends and family. They're pretty low maintenance and can forage for some of their own food. This means they can help keep your garden free of pests while reducing your feed costs. They're resilient and less prone to health issues, making them great for beginners. Their strong immune systems mean fewer vet visits and more peace of mind for you. So, if you're looking for a reliable egg layer that can handle cold weather, the Rhode Island Red might be the chicken for you. They can withstand harsh winters, ensuring you have a steady supply of eggs year-round. Next up, we've got the Leghorn, the ultimate egg-laying machine. We're talking about 250 to 300 large white eggs per year. Leghorns are energetic and adapt well to different climates. They're not exactly lab chickens, but their productivity is hard to beat. Originating in Leghorn, Italy, they've been bred for their egg-laying abilities. If you're looking for a chicken that'll keep your fridge stocked with fresh eggs, the Leghorn is a fantastic option. Now, let's talk about the Sussex, a dual-purpose breed great for both meat and eggs. You'll get around 180 to 200 large brown eggs per year. Sussex chickens are calm, friendly, and great with kids. They're excellent foragers, helping keep pests down and getting a varied diet. Their versatility makes them a great option for homesteaders. So, if you're looking for a friendly and productive breed, look no further than the Sussex. Coming in at number 4, we have the Plymouth Rock, a breed that has won the hearts of many poultry enthusiasts. Known for their friendly and docile personalities, these chickens are a fantastic choice for families. They're great with kids, making them perfect for a backyard flock where children can interact and learn about caring for animals. Not only are they friendly, but they are also excellent egg layers. Plymouth Rocks can produce around 200 to 250 light brown eggs per year, ensuring a steady supply of fresh eggs for your family. They're relatively cold hardy, which means they can withstand cooler climates better than some other breeds. Additionally, they are natural mothers, making them great for hatching chicks. If you're interested in raising your own flock from eggs, Plymouth Rocks are a reliable choice. They might require a bit more supplemental feed to maintain their health and productivity, but their friendly nature and consistent egg production make them a great all-around bird. Their ability to roam freely and interact with people without aggression makes them a joy to have around. They adapt well to different environments, whether it's a spacious farm or a cozy backyard. So if you're looking for a gentle and reliable egg layer that can also serve as a delightful pet for your family, the Plymouth Rock might be the perfect addition to your flock. Their combination of friendliness, hardiness, and productivity makes them a top choice for both novice and experienced chicken keepers. And finally, we've reached the number 1 spot on our list, the Australorp. This breed is renowned for its exceptional egg-laying capabilities and has earned its place as a favorite among poultry enthusiasts. These birds can lay an impressive 250 to 300 large brown eggs per year, with some extraordinary hens laying close to 364 eggs per year. That's almost an egg a day. They're calm, gentle, and relatively quiet, making them easy to handle. Their friendly nature makes them a great addition to any backyard flock, especially for families with children. They're efficient, requiring less feed to maintain their egg production. This means you get more eggs for your investment, making them a cost-effective choice for small-scale farmers and hobbyists alike. They can be a bit prone to broodiness, so be prepared to discourage nesting if you're not hatching chicks. However, their broody nature can be an advantage if you are looking to expand your flock naturally. Overall, if you're looking for an egg-laying superstar that's also friendly and low maintenance, the Australorp is a fantastic choice. Their versatility and ease of care make them perfect for both novice and experienced chicken keepers. Whether you have a large farm or a small backyard, the Australorp will thrive and provide you with a steady supply of delicious eggs. Well, folks, there you have it. Our top 5 best egg-laying chicken breeds for your flock. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on raising chickens and other homesteading advice. Let me know in the comments which breed is your favorite or if you have any experience with these egg-laying champions. Until next time, happy homesteading!